Now in the new era, comparing the audio-visual mode of delivery or audio-visual mode of absorbing the information and knowledge vis-a-vis the conventional ways of absorbing the knowledge, okay, I still find that there has to be a very fine balance that has to be between that. Repeating the same thing, that is online mode, audio-visual should be taken as a convenience, should be taken as a supporting tool rather than relying on it. Especially with the recent trends of increasing length of question papers in UPSC prelims, okay, as well as the requirement to think very quickly, okay, it is more and more about the impression that is created in our brain while reading the books properly, while reading, let's say for example, newspaper properly. That first of all gives us a better retention, and more so over reading hard copies of the books or newspapers, okay, conventional ways of studying, that was a very efficient method of retention. Right now it's all about, I compare it with a hard drive of a computer where you can keep loading the information, no problem in that. You have terabytes and terabytes of capabilities, you may have storage capability, you may keep loading it, but retrieval is the problem. And that is what can be solved only from going back to conventional ways of preparation, conventional ways of studying, and using, of course, online. We are living in a digital era, so using online things as a supporting tools, enhancement tools.